Bonjour classe, comment allez-vous? And your response? Ça va bien, merci. Correct. In the last lesson, we learned that the expression bonjour can be used to say good morning and also good afternoon. Do you remember the expression for good evening? Bonsoir. Yes, bonsoir. As part of the salutations, how do we say goodbye in French? It is au revoir. Au revoir. Good. And how do we say good night? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. For example, say to your parents, bonne nuit, papa, or bonne nuit, mama. Class, make sure to review the last lesson where you were taught the vocabulary for times of the day, the meals of each day, and the fruits in French. Once again, we will go over the numbers 1 to 20 to enable you master them. 1 is 1. 2 is 2. 3 is 3. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. 8 is 8. 9 is 9. And 10 is 10. Okay, now from 11 to 20. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. 18 is 18. 19 is 19. 19. And 20 is 20. Please make sure you practice your numbers. Thank you, class.